Hi, this is April Burson with Coastal Life Properties, and I'd like to welcome you to take a virtual look at my listing at 714 Old Country Road in Palm Bay, Florida. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is nestled in the beautiful preserves of Stonebriar. Take a look. Thank you so much for taking this virtual tour with me of my listing at 714 Old Country Road in Palm Bay. If you'd like more information on this property or any other properties in the Brevard County area, make sure to give me a phone call at area code 830-570-3265. Thanks for watching.